Have you ever wondered what you have to do to become a prominent modern artist? Who writes outstanding sci-fi books? Who are the people that make great international research projects work? Ever wanted to know what kind of educational and career background they have? In most cases, they would have a unique combination of skills, experiences, and education, which all add up to make them who they are. They combine chemistry and art, big data analysis and cultural heritage, outstanding writing skills, and love for high-tech, machine learning, and medical education. They are not afraid of making bold experiments, finding innovative solutions, and tackling new challenges that modern society faces. They come from all cultural backgrounds and know that the world is their oyster. These kind of people are the students of the Institute for International Development and Partnership. The institute was founded as a place where master's students from all over the world can feel welcome and at home. The first sign we had on our door said, "From our hearts to yours." All of our master's programs are unique in what they offer. The first one is Data, Culture and Visualization. Its graduates specialize in using digital tools to analyze objects and text of cultural heritage, or social and cultural trends. The institute is also home to Russia's first ever master's program in art and science. Its students come from a wide variety of academic backgrounds. That includes everyone from bioscientists, programmers and physicists to artists, journalists and historians. The students may choose from 3 tracks: digital art, technological art and bioart. As graduates, they will develop art projects using advanced scientific technologies in such areas as robotics, biotech, artificial intelligence, AR and VR. They will not only benefit from ITMO University's own art gallery, where they can exhibit their works, but also from cooperation with many of the exhibition halls that St. Petersburg has to offer. Moreover, the students will definitely value the input of the program's director, Dmitry Ozerkov, the head of the Contemporary Art Department of the State Hermitage Museum. In 2021, the Science Communication program launched a brand new Public Health Sciences track. It is designed for interdisciplinary researchers who will be able to initiate and conduct research in the field of health sciences. Its graduates will become highly qualified specialists who will apply evidence-based approach and will be able to influence the quality of research in health and medicine around the world. Even though these programs are quite young in comparison to others at ITMO, our students have already participated in major projects, some of which were implemented in collaboration with business and state partners. St. Retrospect, an online platform that explores the history of St. Petersburg through use of archived data. Pages of early Soviet performance, a transformation of images from Soviet performing arts periodicals into data for computational analysis, in collaboration with Princeton University, USA. QST, a mobile app that gamifies the process of learning about St. Petersburg's culture and history. Several art exhibitions, seminars, lectures, and curational projects have been held at AIR, ITMO University's Contemporary Art Gallery. One of the main values of ITMO University is being international. I would say that being international is the priority for the institute. Therefore, we encourage students to acquire international experiences during their studies. They can join an exchange semester, take internships abroad, participate in short-term mobility programs, or attend international conferences and contests. We have more than 170 active academic partners. They include such universities as IP Paris, University of Tor Vergata, University of Seoul. We have also established partnerships with the museums of Blok and Dostoevsky, the Peter and Paul Fortress, Rumantsev Palace, the publishing company Elsevier, BioCAD, the State Hermitage Youth Education Center, or artists, the Petrov National Medical Research Center for Oncology, Pushkin State Museum of Fine Arts, and many others. Students can complete internships at any of these institutions or initiate joint projects with the participation of these institutions' experts. I personally know a graduate who has used all of the opportunities provided by the Institute of International Development and Partnership. This person went on a semester exchange abroad, joined a winter school at our partners' university, and initiated several interdisciplinary projects. In 3 words, I would describe her as a woman of the world. This person feels at home everywhere, and most importantly, has no borders in her mind. If you have any questions, email us.